Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So I'm unpacking a very mechanical keyboard mouse right here. It is a T68 SE mechanical keyboard. The brand looks cool. It's a 60% mechanical keyboard, so it should have a fast response time, and it should be like a really nice keyboard. So yeah, I'm gonna skip the unwrap. All right, I unwrapped it, and there's some things here. There's switches for the keyboard and mouse. 100% sure. Alright, I got the wrapper off, and we're gonna have to pull this out. That's how we open it. Okay, so this is the keyboard and mouse. I think it's really nice so far. I don't know if it comes with any extra tools. Yep, it comes with the wire, so it's wired so far. This might be a key remover. So yeah, this is awesome. Here's the rules, but we don't need to read it. It's just a normal keyboard. Alright, let's unwrap it. Here it is. I'll give you I love the sound of this keyboard and mouse, I can't lie. Alright, let's just frick that, we don't care about it. It's very good. We can check the key. Oh, it's a red key. It's pretty good, it's pretty good. Let's take that off. Just put it back. And once again, if y'all want to buy this keyboard and mouse, here it is. It is the T68 SE keyboard and mouse, 60% mechanical. So, yeah. Now, let's show the LEDs soon. Alright. So let's turn on the console. Let's get the results of this. Whoa, y'all see that? It's like a lightning. This is the results. Oh shoot, yeah, there's only two colors, black and white. So we can, I think it's FM. Setting, and yeah, that's practically the light show for y'all. So like and subscribe if you like this unwrapping of the, what is it called, T68 SE.